My name is Darcy Callahan. I live on Prince Edward Island, which is on the east coast of Canada. I've been a supporter of the International Fund for Animal Welfare for 21 years. Being a supporter of animal welfare in Canada on the east coast sometimes is a little bit difficult. There's a number of people that seem to take issue when people try to support wildlife, when they think of this as being some kind of threat. As human beings, we need a connection with animals. I think we see this in our childhood, how much joy animals bring to us. I think it's a loss for all of us. I think we have to reconnect ourselves, although in the modern world it's becoming harder and harder to do so.